Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the Powermaster Performance starter for the 94 to 02 Dodges. One really common technical question that we'll answer here at Thoroughbred Diesel is on the 94 to 02 trucks, and it's directly concerning the starting performance of those trucks. Now, specifically the 98 to 02 Dodges, if you have everything that's healthy inside the system, you've got a healthy battery, your intake air heater is working correctly, you've got correct lift pump pressure. One of the last pieces of that puzzle for having a truck that starts well in cold environments, hot days, is having a starter that is performing correctly for you. The part number 9053 from Powermaster Performance is a high gear reduction starter that is absolutely going to change the way your truck has started for all these years. Now, a lot of times with our VP44 sales, we'll have customers that will call in that will purchase a VP44. And one of the current concerns that they have is, hey, I've got a long crank. And once our technicians kind of go over all the symptoms of that with them, make sure that they don't have any leaks, give them some procedures for checks for leak down. The one thing that we'll point them towards before we sell them a VP44 is, hey, make sure that your batteries are in good condition and make sure that your starter is functioning correctly. And a lot of times in that conversation, we really don't have to sell a customer a VP44. They'll come back and say, hey, my starter was bad, totally fix the truck, everything is great now. Rated for 3.6 horsepower, I think it's 260 foot-pounds of torque. So this is a very, very torquey motor, but the high gear reduction means it just spins the motor over at ease. Now, your 94 to 98 trucks, where they have the mechanically driven lift pump, it's very important for those trucks to maintain cranking speed to be able to get them fired up and running. So again, it's just as important in the 94 to 98 12 valve trucks is to have proper cranking speed as it is in the 98 to 02 trucks. Now, each Powermaster Performance starter will come with a dyno sheet inside of the box with the starter that will tell you how your starter performed at time of testing. The 9053 comes in the Wrinkle black finish as well. Now the Wrinkle black finish, this is an aesthetic thing. It's just a good looking starter that you put on your truck. It's going to help you help it to fight corrosion. Goes a little bit into helping the starter resist heat soak. But this is a very, very quality unit. The one thing that's great about Powermaster starters is they don't have a core charge with them. They've also got a 1-year warranty. So you can put this on your truck, giving you peace of mind that you got the best starter out there on the vehicle. So again, high gear reduction. It's not going to make the truck turn over slower. It's actually probably going to seem like it actually cranks over faster, but it's going to have the power to get the truck spun over to be able to get you up and running, and that's all part of it. But again, you want to make sure that you've got good wiring on the truck. Check your positive and negative battery cables. Make sure that you've got correct lift pump pressure. Make sure that you've got good batteries on the truck. All the things before you deem it to be a starter. But if you do have a wore out starter, we definitely suggest you check out the Powermaster Performance starter for your truck. I promise you it is going to go a long way in helping you get your truck running in the harshest of conditions. So if you have any questions about Powermaster starters, just give us a call. We ask you to like and subscribe to our Facebook channel, and I think we're going to link you inside this video to where you can purchase this 9053 starter for your 94 to 02 Dodge 5.9 liter Cummins. Thanks for watching.